All right, it's another edition of What's in the Box. Sorry for the red spot on my head. I think I was like on my arm a bit, but it's another edition of What's in the Box. All right, here we go in my FSU shirt. So let's go and cut this bad boy open. This one makes me a little nervous packaging wise, but we'll see. We'll see. This one's not coming. They taped it well. Let's see here. Getting through the tape and the. Oh, because they taped it that way. This is always the fun of trying to undo an unboxing, is you're going and actually trying to cut into it, and it's taped up really well. Let's see if I can get into it. Oh, I got almost there. It is almost there. What is in this box? None other than. Oh, they put it into nice wrapping and a little protector, but none other than Han Solo. And this is actually Solo from the movie Solo. So none other than Han Solo. So now we've got a good Han Solo.